How to exclude locations in Facebook ad so that you can stop wasting your budget. So in this video, I want to show you how to exclude some location. If you have been running ad, you will notice that sometimes when you are running ad, even though you choose a particular location, your ad will still be showing in another location. And that location might be a location that you don't want. And because of that, Facebook keeps spending your money because you are they are going beyond the location you have chosen. So in this video, I'm setting up an ad for Saturn Academy, and I'm going to be showing you how to exclude those locations very easily. So I will head over to my ad account. So I'm already setting up the ad. So for the location, see location here. So I'm not going to be choosing Nigeria as a whole because I only want specific location. So I'll first choose the specific location I want. I'll choose Lagos, Nigeria, Ibadan. I want Osogbo also. I want Ilesha, Osun, Akure, Akure. Now this is based on my own targeting, right? Ogun State. I'm going to be choosing Ogun State. Ogbomoso, Ogbomoso. I will also be choosing Abuja. Choosing Abuja. I'll be choosing Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. And I'll be choosing Asaba also. So these are the states I want to choose. So I don't want Facebook to go beyond these states that I've chosen here. So how do I do that? You can see this option here, include. So you can see exclude. I click on exclude. Then the location I don't want this ad to go to. I don't want it to go to Kano. I don't want it to go to Kaduna. I don't want it to go to Plateau State. Now I'm not discriminating. Oh. I'm not discriminating. It's just that my target audience are not in this. Let me just choose Jos. I don't want it to go to Jos. I don't want this ad also to go to Anambra State. Right. So just all the states you don't want this ad to show, just put it in the exclude button. You can see that you can see exclude. So no matter what, Facebook will never reach these locations, right? Facebook will never reach location. They will stick to majority of these locations. So that's how to exclude on Facebook ads without wasting your budget. I believe you have learned something in this video. If yes, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, you like, and you share this video to someone that might be interested. And also, if you want to learn digital advertising as a profession, ensure that you check out Saturn Academy. Now, what's Saturn Academy? Saturn Academy is a digital advertising school that trains you to become an advertising strategist in just 10 weeks, right? We have both online classes and we have physical classes, right? So if you are interested, kindly visit this page, saturnacademy.com, and see what we have here. We are building Africa's next generation of advertising expert. Join our 10 weeks program designed to transform you into an advertising strategist, someone who can diagnose business challenges, develop winning strategies, execute profitable campaigns, and deliver measurable growth. So, you should check this page out, and trust me, you'll be interested, and reach out to us, and we'll be glad to have you join our next cohort. So see you in the next one.